Hey everyone, welcome to my Quartz Creek Highway 1 4-lane update. Question is the new bridge going to be open this winter? Well, let's find out. So, we're coming along here. They're still doing construction work along here. Still doing road building. I know that this part won't be open up this year, but because they still have an animal, I believe. It looks like an animal overpass going in, or an animal underpass, not an overpass, going in up here, which probably won't be done until next spring. And we're coming across it, coming up here right to the left. Okay, so I've already talked about the Quartz Creek snowmobile area being a priority turn area to avoid accidents. So we'll leave that be. It looks like they're going to be doing some work to redo the original highway. So this again is the turn off for the Quartz Creek snowmobile area, recreation area. So coming up here, we're coming up to where the new bridge is. Now the question is, will the new bridge be open this winter? I'm guessing it is going to be open because it seems that on October 9th, they are sure pushing to get a lot of paving done, which if their plan wasn't to open it, they wouldn't be pushing as much as they are. So I really don't know. I'm hoping it will be, because that bridge that we're going over right now is pretty old. So you can see along the left-hand side of the road highway here, the pile of gravel, that's to build up the road for the 4-lane. Okay, so we're coming up now here to where you'll turn to go to the new bridge. So it's all been paved. They need to get rid of this, what we're driving on right now, to do the eastbound lanes. But it looks like the westbound lanes, they're pushing to get them done so that they can open it up and possibly start on the eastbound lanes. Now the thing is I mean, we're up high in the mountains, and construction in this area, it shuts down for the winter. So that's why I think they're pushing for it. So coming up here, this is the maintenance facility for the sanding trucks. So I'm going to have my right-hand camera, rear-facing right-hand camera pop up, so you can take a look and see at where the bridge is going to be coming out. It will be so nice when this is done. Like I said, I'm guessing that we're going to be driving on this new part before the snow falls this year. We're going to be going over that new bridge. Anyways, we'll see. They still got some widening to do along this stretch here. They have done some paving up here, but anyways, that's it. That's my Quartz Creek update for October 9th, 2023. Hope you enjoyed. Send some likes, comments, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you down the road. Bye for now.